Now we can see the different types of flip-flop. In the different types of flip-flop, we have a SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, T flip-flop. First, we can see the SR flip-flop. What is the SR flip-flop? The SR flip-flop can be considered as a 1-bit memory. Since it stores the input pulses even after it has passed, the SR means set reset. Flip-flop is one of the simplest sequential circuit and consists of two gates connected as shown in a graphical symbol. We can see here we have a two gate, okay? One is your S and R. This is a normal value, this is a complemented value, so that's why it is called as a bistable flip-flop, okay? Notice that the output of each gate is connected to one of the input of the other gate, giving a form of positive feedback or a cross coupling. It can be cross coupling or it can be give to the one input of the other gate. Means S ka hoga input that will be connected to the Q bar and R is connected to the Q. The circuit has two active low input mark, that is a S and R, not being indicated by the bar above the latter, as well as the two output Q and Q bar. This is the graphical symbol for the SR flip-flop. We can see that there is a two input and two output. This is a graphical symbol. So the below table shows that what happens to the Q and output when a logic 0 is applied to either the S or OR input. If SR is 0 0, then Qn plus 1 and Qn bar plus 1 is not change. Not change. If SR is 0 1, then the Qn plus 1 is 1 and Qn bar plus 1 is 0. When SR is 1 0, then the Qn plus 1 is 0 and Qn plus 1 Qn bar plus 1 is 1. If SR is 1 1, then both are in a race condition. Okay, these are the truth table for the SR condition. So you have to write this truth table. You have to just write out the such a definition, that is SR flip-flop can be considered as a 1-bit memory. So you can see that this is a graphical symbol, this is a definition, and this is the truth table. I will share the PPT with you. Next is your clocked SR flip-flop. So we can connect the clock in the SR flip-flop. It is also called as a gated SR flip-flop. The problem with the SR flip-flop using NOR and NAND gate is an invalid state. So in the SR flip-flop, we can use the NOR and we can draw by using the NOR and NAND gate. It is an invalid state. This problem can be overcome by using the bistable SR flip-flop that can change output when certain invalid states are met, regardless of the condition of either the set or the reset input. For this, a clock SR flip-flop is designed by adding two AND gate to a basic NOR gate flip-flop. The circuit diagram we can show and the truth table we can show. This is the circuit diagram. We can use the two and two. This is a AND gate. This is a two OR gate. This is like Q is connected to the S and this Q is connected, that is a cross coupling, and one is a clock pulse. So QSR is 0 0 0, then it's 0, 0 0 1, it's also 0, 0 1 0, then 1. If you apply QSR, QSR means what? If the value of Q and the SR is 0 0, then it will be go to the AND signal, then the 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 into 0 into 1, that is 1 into 0, 0 1 0 is 1, 0 1 1 is intermediate, 1 0 0 is 1, 1 0 1 is 0, 1 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 1 is intermediate. That is a truth table and it is a logical diagram. Next one is yours. You can see the another one, that is a clock SR flip-flop. In the clock you can see this is simple. We have SR, Q and Q bar. If the clock is 0 and the SR is no change. If the clock is 1, then the again 0 0, no change. If 0 1, then there is a reset. If 1 0, it is a set, and 1 1 race condition, repeated condition, then you have to avoid. So this is a truth table we have to draw. If someone asks you the what is a clock SR flip-flop, you have to define the definition. After the definition, you can see there is a two AND gate and NOR gate. This is a truth table, but this is a very simple truth table, Qn plus 1 and Qr bar plus 1, and this is a truth table and this is a symbol. And then again you have to write the what are the application. The clock RS flip-flop can be used in a sequential circuit. It can be used to design counters. It can be used as a latch in a digital circuit. These are the application of SR flip-flop. Next is your JK flip-flop. A JK flip-flop can be also be defined as a modification of the SR flip-flop. The only difference is that intermediate state is a more redefined and precise than the SR flip-flop. The behavior of JK is the same as the SR. SR flip-flop, the letter J stand for set and K means clear. When both the input J and K have a high state, the flip-flop switch to the complemented state. If the J and K in the on the high state, it will always go to the complemented. So the value of Q equals to 1, it switches to the Q equals to 0. For a value of Q is a 0, then it switches to the Q, complement हो जाएगा. This is the graphic symbol J, K, Q and Q bar. ओके अगर इसका J एंड K का जो स्टेट है वैल्यू है वो अगर हाई रहेगा, स्टेट हाई रहेगा, then it will be moved to the complemented state. Next is your the following table shown in the JK 00 QN 010 101 and 11 Q bar. Now the table shows the characteristics of the JK flip flop. You can write the 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then the QN present, that is a QN plus the present state 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then again here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then what is the Qn plus 1? Qn plus 0 plus this is 0, then 1, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. I will show you the calculation in the next in online session. Now let us look the timing diagram of JK flip-flop. This is a block 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is a J flip-flop. This is a K flip-flop. Now there is a QT plus 1. So this is the timing diagram for the JK flip-flop. Next here is a T is a time period of the clock, whereas a T is the propagation delay. T is a time period and this is a delta T is a propagation period. Propagation delay. The delay between input and output is called as a propagation delay. This is what was expected, but the output may not be like this all the time. This is where the race condition comes into the play. Let us look at the timing diagram of the JK flip-flop when the race condition is considered. As you already know, when JK and clock are equal to 1, toggling takes place. Here propagation delay has also been reduced, so the output will be given at the instant input is given. So there is a toggling again. Therefore, whenever clock is equal to 1, there are consecutive toggling. This condition is called as a race around condition. To put in words, for JK flip-flop, if J and K clock are equal to 1, then the state of flip-flop keeps on toggling and leads uncertainty in determining the output of the flip-flop. This problem is called as a race around condition. Okay, so how we can solve this condition? The methods to eliminate race around condition: increasing the delay of flip-flop, that means the propagation delay should be made greater than the duration of the clock plus, but it is not good solution as increasing the delay. Use of age triggered flip-flop: if the clock is high for the time interval less than the propagation delay, the flip-flop race around condition can be eliminated. And use of master slave JK flip-flop: if the flip-flop is made to toggle over one clock period, then race round condition is eliminated. These three conditions to eliminate the race round condition in a JK flip-flop. So you can see that increasing the delay of flip-flop, use age triggered flip-flop, and use of master slave JK flip-flop. This is come in a describe in the MSBT how to describe race around condition in a JK flip-flop and suggest the way to overcome it. So you can write down this answer. You can see the in a JK flip-flop when J equals K equals to 1, then output is toggle. If the clock pulses shown in below is applied at the clock input for a lever triggered JK flip-flop after a time interval propagation equal to the propagation delay through to NAND gate, the output again toggles. After another time interval delta t, the output changes again. Hence, during TP of the clock pulse, the output will oscillate back and forth between 0 and 1. At the end of the clock pulse, the value of Q is uncertain. This situation is referred as a race around condition. So you can avoid this, the TP less than propagation delay T less than T. A practical method of overcoming use the master slave. मैंने जो आपको previous में बोला था, you can use a master slave configuration. In that you can toggle over one clock period, then toggle over one clock period. It is done by master slave JK flip flop. So it can be overcome by the race around condition. What are the application of JK flip flop? Register. A single flip flop can be stored a 1-bit word counter. The counter is a digital circuit used for counting up pulses or number of events, and it is the widest application of flip flop. Event detector, data synchronizers, and frequency divider. These are the application of flip flop.